First snake.
Thai snakehead.
Okay, now release. Yeah. This one open. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. Okay, look here. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Fire catfish. Well done, huh? For America. You put down and push down. Put down. Oh. And hold the tail. Two hands hold the tail and push it down. Hold the tail. Yeah, hold the tail. Hold it. Okay, yes. Okay, release. Go.
Ready?
Open up. Okay, good.
Third species. Third.
Fourth species, okay. Oh, strong, huh?
Wow. Jeez.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, move backward. Move back. Just move backward. No, to here. Yeah. Okay, move backward. Yeah. Okay.
Still mad.
Move down. Yes, they run towards you. Okay, say. Look here.
Yes.
Up, straight. Oh, okay, enough. Okay, enough. Right. Oh. Okay. ปลากลับไม่ดี Okay, good. Go, yes, good. Oh, why? Oh, yay. Okay. Okay. Better, right? Okay, move backward. Open the bell. Yeah. Second parkour. Okay, go. Release. The rod. Okay. Open up. โอเคพอแล้วโอเค move backward yeah move backward yeah โอ้ Okay, nice one. Okay, release, go. Okay, open. Put down your water. Go. Okay, good. Balam mundi. Okay, move backward. Balam mundi, move backward. Come here. Big one. Oh, good. Winner. Stay. Let's stay. Fight better. Yeah. Oh, big one. Oh, good one. Okay, stay. When come near, then you move backward. I pull up. Okay. Let's fight first. Oh, nice. Okay, now here. Move backward.
This way?
Yeah, you move backward. Yes. Oh, okay. You look here. Fourth species, yeah?
Yeah.
Release. Into the water. Okay, good. What? Go low down. Okay. Yes. Oh. Okay. Yes. Each time he come around, we get one. Good. Oh, big one.
Yeah, yes.
Ooh. See how big? Oh, big. Okay, to the left. Okay, move backward. Okay. Oh, move backward. You have to move backward.
Yep.
Go this way.
Oh, that way?
Yeah. So that I can get the fish out. Okay. Woo. Oh, nice. Okay, go. Release. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Go. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Go. Still here. See one. Stay. When I come here, you move backward. Wait. Stay first. Oh shit! This is a big one. Let's pull. Yeah, pull. Hey! Never mind, it's okay. Okay, good. Okay, go to the left. Because here got all the seaweed. Yes. Small one. Never mind. Bring up. Okay, move backward. Yeah. Just move backward. No. Oh, no.
No? Oh.
See? วันนี้ไม่มีคุณเลยโอเค
Finally.
Oh. Okay, move backward. Move backward. I pull. Okay, don't use the one. Okay, another nice size paku. Okay, ready, go. Okay, good. Yes. Oh. Hey, what is that? Bahook. What is that? Tilapia? No. What is that? Oh, balang bendi. Never mind. Ah, a fish is a fish. Ah, by mouth, by tail is still a fish. Okay.
By mouth, by tail,
Yeah. Yes. You think so easy to power hook? You fall over again? Not easy, you know. Let me hear a lot of fish. Okay, let go. Yeah. You push back. I take video. Push it back. Yeah.
Push back?
Yeah, push back. Yeah. Let go. Look here. Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Look here.
Yeah,
Okay.
you're getting better and better, you see? Oh, professional. Oh, look at that. No feeding.
Look at that. I give you. Oh, what fish is that? Oh, stronger. Strong. Oh man, this is a balang bendi. Macam pakapong. Hey now. See, the lure I choose for you, good Hey, look. Is it where in the mouth? No. In the ass. No. Balang bendi. Maybe big one. See the way he runs. Oh. Hey, I think it's the mouth. Look. Slip from the mouth to the head.
What the hell?
Hey.
In the head this time.
Yeah, the head this time, No, this one have to use
Net?
because no net. Because it will come out. Come. Nice, Ooh, nice one, The best. Okay, release. Put in the water first. Open up. Open up. Open first. Open.
Oh, yeah, it's open.
Open. Take off first. No, take off first. Take off.
Yeah.
And then you push it.
Oh.
Push. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Small one, Okay, move backward. Just move back. Careful, Pedro. Okay, come on. Bye. Hey. Oh, strong one. Okay, good. Well, this is a big hook, is it? Oh. Small. Okay, bring back. Okay, move backward.